Hello, this is Siyoung, and today we're going to go over 6th grade worksheet, lesson 23. So the first thing we're going to go over is solving equations, and solving equation by means, have equal sign, and also one variable, which is here, it's x, as you can see in number 1 and number 2, and you're solving for the variable, which is x, and see what value that is to make this expression, this equation, same, right? So in order to solve for x, what we have to do is leaving the variable that we're solving by itself on any side of the equation, so it doesn't matter. But in order to do that, we're gonna subtract 47 to get rid of 47, right? 47. So negative x minus x is equal to 23 plus 14 minus 47, right? So do we still have negative, right? We still have negative in front. So the thing we're gonna do first is solve for this one. And if we solve for this one, we get negative 10. Now we're gonna divide negative 1 both sides, and this becomes x equals 10. And number 4. So this one has multiplication here, 3 times x, and we have addition here, right? 81 plus 3x is equal to 99. So same thing we did in number 1, we're going to subtract 81 both sides, and we get 81 just cancels out, 3x, and 99 minus 81 is equal to 18. And now we have to divide 3 on both sides, and x is equal to 6. So this is the basic concept. And so the basic concept is that if you have addition, you subtract. And if you have subtraction, you add. And if you have multiplication, you divide. You have division, you multiply. So it's literally opposite to each other. The next is linear equations in slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form, again, is y equals mx plus b. And solve for y in the following linear equations to change them into slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form, we're going to change it. So here we have 4x plus 3y equals 9. And like we said, it's y equals mx plus b. So y has to be by itself here, and x has to be other side of the equation, not with y, and there has to be constant, and m is the slope. But this is useful when only when you're graphing, but in order to make it into the same form as y equals mx plus b, it is necessary to understand what the equation is saying. So 3y equals negative 4x plus 9. What I just did is just move 4x to the other side to make 3y by itself. And same thing, we're going to solve for y this time because we're leaving y by itself. So 3 divided by 3. Be careful, you have to divide by all. Y equals negative 4 third x plus 3. So this is the answer for number 1. And if you interpret this data, this equation y by itself, yep, negative 4, 3 is the slope, and x right next to it by multiplication, and 3 is the constant, which is b. And if you're actually graphing, it's y-intercept. So let's look at number 5. So number 5, we have x here and y here and constant here. So what we're gonna do is same thing. We're just gonna add or subtract, but Same thing for this one too. Yeah, we're gonna leave 9y by itself. So 9y equals, add 8x. Cancels out. And what is negative 4x plus 8x? It's just 4x, right? 4x plus 2. And you divide 9 on both sides. 4, 9x plus 2, 9. So don't be afraid to divide all in one word. If you get fractions, yeah, it's just that number. Okay, moving on to multiple choice question, and we're gonna go over number 1 and number 2. So, not number 1 and number 2. It's number 2 and number 3. So Allison has 4 shirts, 1 blue, 1 green, and 1 orange, and 1 pink. She also has 3 pairs of jeans, 1 black and 2 blue. With these clothes, how many different outfits can she make? So I drew the t-shirts to help better understanding of what's going on in the problem, and this is a problem. So she has blue, green, orange, and pink, and she can't match everything because she can wear this one, this one, this one, and also this one, right? And now we have 4 outfits with only black pants. How about this? Blue pants with blue shirts, blue pants with green shirts, blue pants with orange shirts, and blue pants with pink shirts. And next one will be another blue pants with blue shirts, blue pants with green shirts, blue pants with orange shirts, and blue pants with pink shirts. So if you count all, it's 12 combinations. And the thing is that if you consider this one as the same outfit, because this one and this one and this one and this one is literally the same because the color of the pants are the same, you can also say 8, but we're gonna choose A because we don't have A here. And number 3. Jeremy likes to collect rocks from all the places he was traveled to. He usually takes 2 to 4 rocks from each location, and he has been to 4 countries in Europe, 3 in North America, and 7 in Asia. What are the least and most amount of rocks he possibly has in total? So it says to find least and most amount of rocks. So what we're gonna do is here, least. What does least mean? It's assuming that he grabs only 2 rocks for every single places that he visits, right? But that number is 2. So he went to 4 plus 3, right? 4 in Europe, 3 in North America, and 7 in Asia. And if we add all up, it's a total of 14 locations, right? And the amount of rock is 2 times 14, which is 28, is the least. And the most is, we're assuming that he collects 4 rocks every time. So 4 times 14 is 4 times 14 is 56. This is the most. So if we choose the answer, it's gonna be the answer is not listed here, I think. Yeah, it's supposed to be 56 because he visited total 14 countries and 4 rocks, assuming that. So answer is just 28 and 56. Okay, so thank you for tuning in and see you next time.